Hello everyone, so this is Sandra's morning skincare routine plus makeup. Yeah. So first step, kuha ng tubig, batya thing. Tapos bimpo. Okay, so babasain yung mukha with that. Then this soap thing na nasa panghilod. Na sinasabi? Okay, so kuha lang ng foam. Tapos yung foam lang gagamitin. Kasi tipid. Para di maubos yung sabon. So banlaw. So sasadyain nyo po talaga na matitira yung sabon sa noo. Sinadya din po yun. Sinasadya pong hindi mag-headband. Okay? Yay! So next yung liquid Neutrogena thingy. So, yun. Lagay siya sa mukha. Mas stress tayo sa pimple. Banlaw ulit. So dapat po talaga sa banyo ginagawa to para hindi nagkakalat or hindi rin nagbabatya. Pay. Kunwari may effect. Next is Acne Defense thing by sa Human Nature. Hindi ko alam kung ba't siya tumatawa. So tapik-tapik lang. Tapik pa lang ulit. Mga 1,000 tapik. So, tapos pupunasan. So, Human Nature po ulit na toner, I think. Nakamatis. So, yun. Sponsoran nyo po kami. Puro Human Nature gamit ni Sandra. So, yun. Pahid-pahid lang. With cotton pad, I think. Dumating po yung PA para ayusin yung headband kasi umaharang sa lighting. Pay ulit with matching sayaw. So next is this brown bottle thing. So no. So lalagay lang po siya sa kamay, huwag directly sa mukha. Para tipid. Joke. And mag sign of the cross po gamit yung oil. Taking longer than expected. Okay. Spread. Pay ulit. Requirement po yun after every application. Snail thing na overexposed na naman po. Galing po kasi nung nag-aayos ng lighting. Which is me. Lagay lang po ng patuldok-tuldok sa mukha kasi mahal daw po yun. Next, Human Nature po ulit na sunscreen? Is that sunscreen? I think it's sunscreen. So, yun. Apply sa mukha at sa leeg. Yay. Next is Acne Defense thing. I think it's tea tree oil. Oh yeah, I know, skincare. And it's Human Nature ulit. Sponsor us. This thing na overexposed na di ko mabasa. Yeah. So yan, spray lang sa mukha. Pay ulit. Okay, tapos na po skincare. Let's move on to makeup. So, yun yung bilog na thing na hindi ko alam kung ano. Tapos, hanap-hanap lang ng brush kasi magulo. And apply nung whatever that is. Foundation ba yun? I honestly don't know. So yun, na-stress po ulit siya sa pimple. Okay. So, mahirap maghanap. Hanap lang. Okay. So, yay, that thing. Concealer ba yun? I don't know. Pero yun, ilagay po sa eye bags. And use that triangle sponge thing na I think tawag ay blender. So yun, mag-ingat po para hindi pumasok sa mata. Mukhang mahapdi. nagturo. Hindi ko alam. Parang sinasabi niya yata na hindi siya naglalagay ng concealer sa pimples. Oh yeah, cool pose. So next is this Careline thing. Struggle babuksan. I don't know what that is. Okay, stress ulit sa pimple, part 3. So this thing na mukhang gamit na gamit kasi wala na yung gitna. Is that blush? Blush ba yun? Nagkaka-blush ba? Mukha naman blush. Sayaw-sayaw habang naghahanap. So, pag gagawin niyo po ito, pwede niyong organize yung gamit para hindi kayo nalilito. So, yun, gamitin ulit yung blender thing. Sponge thing para i-blend together or whatever. Para mas maging smooth. Okay, next is this thing na kasama niya akong bilhin sa SM pero hindi ko maalala kung ano. Yun yata kay Ann Curtis na shit. So yun, is that eyeshadow? I don't know. Okay, this is taking a while. Ayan, so susuklay po ng kilay. And then this petroleum jelly. Ewan ko, lip balm. And then I think lip gloss. Yep, it's lip gloss. Yeah, I know things. Colourpop. To pop the colors. Eyeshadow ba ulit yun? Ewan ko. So, ang tagal talaga mag-apply ng makeup. So, is that good? Yeah, it's good. Next is this thing na nasa bilog. That looks painful. So, mukhang mahirap po yata yung i-apply kasi okay. Ang tagal. Ano ba yung effect? Ewan ko. So, nagkakaroon ng white. Oh, highlight. I think that's highlights. Is that highlight? Then this red thing. Okay. Nag-focus naman. Oh yeah, it's lipstick, I think. Yep, it's lipstick. Tapos, quick snack, nagutom. Oh, galing po niya magbilang, palakpakan. Dance. Next is this glow kit na sobrang nag-glow, ang hirap basahin. Oh, 'di ba? Overexposed na naman. Galing talaga. So, yun, kuha ng walis thing. Ayan, tuwa din siya kasi mukhang walis. Yeah, it's highlights. Kaya glow kit. Yep. I know that kasi I'm a photographer. So, ilagay siya sa mga things na dapat kumikintab. You know, that kind of stuff. Ayan, so mukha naman okay na daw. Oh, galing. Nag-focus talaga, babe. So, another makeup thing na wala akong alam. Ooh, so pati siya na-impress. Next, Master Fix. Init na po ng ulo niya. Pagod na siya mag-makeup. I think that's the finish thing. And so eyes here. Yeah. Cute. I think this is done. Sayo. Reward from me. Bye-bye, everybody.